Faces him. Works it all the way up to the blue line, and a good play and a breakaway by Walker. He'll walk in. Walker shoots and scores. And the LA Kings have taken a 1-0 lead as Burakovsky coughed it up at the LA blue line and then into the neutral zone.
Now Gabe Landeskog is immediately over to talk to the referee. Walker, nice play, nice shot. But the defenseman Walker followed Burakovsky all the way to the blue line. And the fans right now showing you what they feel about it.
The Avs find themselves in the wrong end here. A tough one to give up with just 44.3 seconds left.
Obviously